Okay, so in this video clip, I'm going to explain how to interpret the odds ratio estimates. That's the result you get after running a regression model. So let me go back to our model and let me open up the result table one more time by selecting results. And I'm going to maximize the output window. And at the end of this long output, to be exact, let's go to line 2712. So here, these are the odds ratio estimates with respect to each input, which enter the model. And for instance, gift average 36. The odds ratio estimate equals to 0.99. So this means that for each additional dollar donated in the last 36 months, the odds of donation during the campaign period change by a factor of 0.99. In other words, since this is less than 1, increasing by a factor of 0.99 basically means that the odds ratio decreases by 1%. So in other words, if a person donated quite extensively in the last 3 years, then maybe due to a intertemporal substitution, the same person is less likely to donate during this period. Similarly, you can interpret this one. Gift count 36. The odds ratio estimate equals 1.059. What does that mean? It means for each additional dollar, this is not about dollar, this is frequency. For each additional donation in the past 36 months, the odds of donation during the campaign period changes by a factor of 1.059. Means the odds ratio increases by 5.9%. So, I mean, this is the previous one, look at the exact amount. This one looks at the frequency. So they're not necessarily consistent as we expected, but what I like to highlight here is that when odds ratio point estimates are given, you should be able to make interpretation. The M, prefix M on the bar person's age. M, prefix M indicates whether the person's age information was missing in a given observation. It takes the value of 1 as a baseline, indicating that age was missing. So as compared to that, when it's not missing, the odds of donation during the campaign period changes by a factor of 1.155. In other words, it increases by 15.5%. So it makes sense. Basically, when people when they self-reported or when they revealed their age information for some systematic reason, which we don't know yet, they are more likely to donate in a campaign period by as much as 15.5%. So this is how we interpret the odds ratio estimates from logistic regression model.